Welcome to the series of Curiosity in the channel of Doshi Classes. Friends, in this video we are going to know about a ring that makes us dance, and that is used for the fitness and fun, and it is great for exercise. Any guesses what am I talking about? Well, you got me right, and it is nothing other than hula hoops. You must have definitely seen an hula hoop spinning around the waist of a cute girl in fitness centers and in fire dancers. And here is a cute girl who knows how to use this fitness ring, and her name is Paridhi Sheth, and she is from a town called Mangaon in Raigad district in Maharashtra, India. Dancing and hooping are some of her favorites, and we call her Pari, and this means a fairy. Pari is very talkative little girl. She is full of energy. She loves to hula hoop a lot. Hula hoop is not only an item of an nostalgic childhood dancing prop, but it is also an item of physical fitness, and now hula hoop is an athletic art form. Well, before going into the details of hula hooping, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notifications. The hula hoop has existed in the various form from thousands of years. That motion, of course, is the key. The trick to do hula hoop is to step inside the hoop and prepare yourself for the magic. Hula hooping is moving steadily or in oscillating a person's waist, hand, neck or legs like swinging pendulum or a vibrating object. When you stand in the middle of hoop, you become the center of the ring's rotation or the axis, and also the source of hoop's movement. When you move your body to sling the toy around you, you exert a turning force called torque. As the hoop moves against your body, the gravity forces the hoop to fall. If you don't want the gravity to win and the hoop to fall, you must put more efforts and keep it on moving. Of course, you don't need to understand the physics for actually doing it. Hooping comes in the natural way for most of us. For this, one must have a hula hoop of the right size and a large space where you can move it freely, and lot of practice, music and some dance steps will add to make a feel-good factor. Hula hoop got its name from the resemblance and the movements made in Hawaiian hula dancers. From where this practice comes from? Come with us to find the historical angle of hula hoop. If you travel back in the time to 1000 BC, you will find the children playing with the hoop toy with the dried grapevine. No doubt, they sling them as the way we do it today. But mostly the children like to strike the hoop with the stick and roll it down the street. The children had various hoops, right from wooden to metal. Some hoops had bells and some other sound to hold the child's interest. Traditional material for the hoop include the dried and the strong grapevines and the stiff grasses. Today they are usually made up of plastic tubing. The only material in the hula hoop is plastic, pigments for coloring the plastic. Some hoops have insertion like ball bearings, beads, stars, glitters, bell, and some other noise making inside the hollow tube. They add an extra visual interest and motion or the sound. The hula hoop gained the international popularity in late 1950s when a plastic version was successfully marketed by the California Toy Company, and its craze swept the world by 1958. Nearly 25 million plastic hoops were sold in less than 4 months. And the sale reached for 100 million units in 2 years. Later, most of the circuses and rhythmic gymnasts adopted them. Today, there are numerous records registered which involve the hooping or the hoop spinning, like The longest verified record for continuous hula hoop spinning was held by Aaron Hips from Columbus, Ohio, who kept a hoop spinning for 74 hours and 54 minutes. In November 2019, Jenny Doen exceeded the record by hula hooping for 100 hours in Chicago. Some people have also tried hula hooping with a tractor tire of 24 kg. Largest hula hoop spun is 5.40 meters, that is 17.8 feet in diameter, and was achieved by Yuya Yamada from Japan. The Guinness record for most hula hoops spun simultaneously is 200 and was achieved by Marawa Ibrahim. The most fire hoops spun simultaneously is 5 and was achieved by Casey Martin. And there are many more records with hula hoops. Now, children are not only the target market for design and sale of these spinning hoops. If you think hula hooping is just for kids, think again. This simple piece of equipment can increase the fun factor in your fitness center and can give you an excellent workout. When it comes to exercise, finding something that you will enjoy is key to making an activity a regular part of your routine. Of course, when the workout is fun, you look forward to do it. Hula hoop can help in your fitness in number of ways, like to burn calories, burn the body fats, boost cardiovascular fitness, challenging your core muscles, improving your balance, and much more. And the best part is, hula hoop is quite inexpensive and portable. It can be easily taken and carried from one place to another. I think most children like hula hoop just because it is very simple to use. Maybe a reason why Paridhi likes it so much. Moreover, there is very less chances of hurting or getting injured because of these simple hula hoops. One of the simplest concept in toy design, the hula hoop deserves the title of the most popular. That's all for this video. See you again in the next. Goodbye till then.